So my prediction is for the next 31 days, we're going to average 1,000 miles a day or a little bit better. We're going to have no more uncertainty, so we know how hot it's going to be. We know what we need to do to handle the heat. We know pretty much how much sleep we're going to need. We don't know how many breakdowns the BMW is going to produce, but my prediction is 0.
Having breakfast in beautiful Bismarck, North Dakota.
Spectacular scenery on the way in this morning in the daylight, in the dawn.
Yeah, beautiful, warm, clear morning, and we found a good spot to sleep at a little rest area. Found us a dark patch and had really a lovely ride in yesterday.
I changed the right-hand throttle body on my Buffalo, on my BMW, which had thrown the cam off that operates the throttle.
And it threw the JB Weld off that was holding the cam on. Broken everything we could possibly break. It's going to be clear sailing from here on out.
The only thing that hasn't broken is our spirit.
Ha!